Hi everybody, it is me Adish Sharma from Spoken English Channel. In today's lecture, I am going to tell you passive voice. Passive voice of present indefinite tense. In present indefinite tense, I am going to tell you rules of present indefinite tense and passive voice. In this tense, while making passive voice, helping verbs is, am, are used with third form. Third form is an essential part of passive voice. You have to watch the video very carefully from the starting till the end. Let's start. First sentence comes to you. He teaches us English in the first period. First of all, we have to select the part of the sentence. In this sentence, he is a subject. He is a subject. Teaches is a verb. Us is indirect object, English is direct object, and in the first period is extra part of the sentence. A subject is a person who does any action. The subject has done the action of teaching. Teaches is here verb. And who received the action? Who received the action is object. We are watching two objects in this sentence. English direct object and us indirect object. The object that come after verb is indirect object and the object that come after later of it is indirect object. And the extra part after indirect object, if there is any part of sentence, that is extra part. First of all, we have to make the passive voice by indirect object. Indirect object is us. Subject of us is we, because we is a plural number, so we have to use helping of are. We are taught. Third form of teach, taught. We are taught English in the first period by him. We are taught English in the first period by him. I have already told you many times that object in passive becomes subject in active and subject in active become object in passive. I mean to say object comes at place of subject and subject go at place of object. Now I am going to tell you passive voice by direct object. Here direct object is English. English is a subject, singular number. English is taught to us. This is a very important point. This is a very important point. When we make passive voice by indirect object, we are to add to before. When we make passive voice by direct object, we are to add to before indirect object. To us in the first period by him. Now I am going to tell you the next sentence. Tom teaches him. In this sentence, Tom is doing an action. He teaches him. Him is receiving the action. So him is object. Him is plural, singular number. Subject of him is he, because he is a singular number. So we have to use is. He is taught by Tom. He is taught by Tom. Now I am going to tell you a sentence of negative sense. James does not sing a song. James does not sing a song. A song is object here. A song is a singular number, because a song is a singular number. A song is not sung. Is not sung by James. A song is not sung by James. She does not beat you. She does not beat you. You is a plural number. In present tense, you is a plural number. You are not. Third form of beat, beaten by object of she, her. You have to understand this point very carefully, that subject of active become object of passive and object of active becomes subject of active. You have to add helping verb according new subject. Now I am going to tell you a sentence of interrogative sense. Does he not call you? Does he not call you? Because in this sentence, does it in the starting, I mean to say helping verb in the starting, enter in the first type sentence, because helping verb of passive voice are is MR. In present indefinite tense, helping verb of passive voice are is MR. We are to use of helping verb of passive voice because you is a plural number, so we are to use are you not called by subject of he him. Sorry, subject of he is him, by him. Why does he not read a book? In this sentence, we are watching why is question word. So we are to put question word in the starting at its place. Why a book is an object and is object and singular number. Why is a book not read by subject object of he him? Why is a book not read by him? Now I am going to tell you the most important sentence that is asked generally in board exam and in English competition. A sentence starting by who? Who? Who beats you? As we know that object of who is by whom. By whom, because you is the plural number. Are you beaten? By whom are you beaten? So dear student, dear guys, dear friends, if you have liked our video, please subscribe the channel, like and share the video. That's all for today. Have a very nice day. Have a very nice day.